So the defense that Prophet wrote for us was the perfection, that make your wudu, that pray your salatul wudu, recite Holy Qur'an upon yourself, blow that light upon yourself, and as soon as you go to sleep make sure that you have something to cover your head. Then as you're sleeping, that get in the practice of sleeping on your backside, because the importance is this is all about energy that Prophet was bringing for us. That the shayateen, they are scared of approaching insan from the front because of the energy to the heart. So the heart is a tremendous protection for human beings, because this is where the light of the Divine is emanating. All the zikr, the prayers, every good action, charity, everything is enforcing the light within the heart of the being. So the heart is the force field. When you understand that, then as you sleep on your back you realize there's a shield that your heart is emitting over you and defending you. As long as we keep that understanding that the heart is there to defend, then Prophet described that when you're sleeping, sleep on your back most preferable. And if you have to move to your sides, then again this is based on energy. As soon as you sleep, then you go to your right side. When you sleep on your right side, you see again your heart is making a shield of protection because your heart is up. It's good for the heart, it's good for the conditioning of the heart, it's not putting stress upon the heart, and it provides a shield of energy that encompasses all your body. And the disliked position is if you go now and roll over to your left side. As soon as you move to the left side, what happens is now your heart is in duress, because your weight and your body is being pushed upon the heart, the shield of protection is not there. There's nothing now defending. So many people, and if they become sensitive to energy, they feel very uncomfortable energies if they begin to sleep on the left. The more you're aware of energy, the more you practice the energy, the more you understand this is all from the realities of malakut. Prophet came to perfect, but not necessarily the body, because the body is going to be here for 60, 70 years and goes back into the grave. These teachings of the body were to perfect the soul, the inhabitant, the one, the precious one from paradise inside. It needs the body to understand these realities because it's the one suffering. What Prophet brought were the rules to save the soul inside. The one who's jahal and doesn't understand, as soon as they sleep like this, well, the soul is going to be attacked, the heart is going to be attacked, that insan comes under attack. Because always visualize there are thousands of ifrit. There are very few people that have the ability with their energy, with their salah, with their namaz that release a tremendous energy and that purifies that space. Most don't have that energy and they barely can lift themselves in their salah and in their amal and in their action.